In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix audio not working in StreamYard. If your viewers can't hear you, the most common reason is simple. StreamYard isn't using the right microphone, or no microphone is selected at all. The good news is that you can fix this quickly right inside your StreamYard studio, and I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening your StreamYard studio. This is the space where you set up your broadcast and manage your audio and video before you go live or record. Make sure you're in the studio for the show or destination you're working on, so you can see your camera preview and control panel. Next, click Settings. You'll usually find the Settings button in the studio controls. It looks like a small gear icon. This is where StreamYard keeps all your device options, so it's the best place to straighten out any microphone confusion. Inside Settings, click Audio. The audio section is designed to handle everything related to what you hear and what your audience hears. We're going to focus on the microphone field at the top, which tells StreamYard exactly which device to listen to. Now open the microphone drop-down and select the correct microphone from the list. You might see options like your computer's built-in mic, a USB mic, a webcam mic, or a headset. Choose the exact device you're speaking into, rather than a generic or unfamiliar name. If you use an external microphone, look for its brand or model name. Picking the specific device removes any guesswork and avoids StreamYard listening to the wrong source, like a distant laptop mic. Once you've selected the mic, speak at a normal conversation level and watch the green dots next to the microphone indicator. Those dots are your live input meter. If they jump as you talk, StreamYard is hearing you, and your mic is set correctly. Try a few phrases, vary your volume slightly, and confirm the dots move responsively. If the dots don't move, switch to another option in the same drop-down and test again until you see activity. This quick visual check is the fastest way to confirm you're ready. That's all there is to it. A correct microphone selection inside the audio settings solves the majority of no sound issues in StreamYard, and if no mic is selected, StreamYard will not capture sound. Before you go live, take a moment to do this selection and green dot test, and you'll save yourself and your audience a lot of frustration. Happy streaming!